We begin by requiring the execsync function from the child_process module. This function will be used to synchronously execute shell commands from our Node.js script. Next, we require a custom function named readPackage.json from a local module. This function will be responsible for reading and parsing the package.json file within our packages. We define a function named publishPackage. This function will handle the publishing process for packages found at the given package path. Inside the publishPackage function, we call readPackage.json, passing in the package path to retrieve the package's package.json data. We check the private field of the package.json object. If it's set to true, indicating that this package should not be published, we log a message and exit the function. For demonstration purposes, we're hardcoding the new version number to 1.0.0. Ideally, this would be replaced with a dynamic versioning strategy, possibly based on semantic versioning. We use execsync to run the npm version command. This updates the package's version to the new version and creates a git tag for it. The CWD option specifies the current working directory for the command, ensuring it's run in the correct package directory. Finally, we publish the package to the npm registry using execsync to run the npm publish command with the access public flag. This makes sure our package is published with public access. We close the publish package function definition. We define an array called packages to publish. Each element is a string representing the path to a package in our monorepo that we want to publish. We iterate over the array of packages, calling the publish package function on each one. This will attempt to publish each package to the npm registry, excluding any private packages. Moving to our readPackage.json function, we start by requiring the fs, or file system, module. This allows us to interact with the file system to read files. We have a function called readPackage.json which takes a package path as its argument. Inside the function, we build the path to the package.json file by combining the package path with the file name. We use fs_exists_sync to check if the package.json file actually exists at the specified path. If it doesn't, we throw an error informing the user of the missing file. If the file exists, we read its contents using fs_readFileSync, specifying UTF-8 encoding. We then parse the JSON string into an object and return it. We close the readPackage.json function definition. Finally, we export the readPackage.json function, allowing it to be used in other files such as our publishPackage script. And that completes our utility for reading package.json files in a monorepo setup.